And of course I hit a button. I love technology. Since they started, it's aggravating is what it is. All right, I'll reintroduce myself, but I will be posting two videos of this frame, which is no more of a nuisance for us, not necessarily a customer. I missed this earlier, so I want to make sure I knock these out so you can see this torque pocket mounting spot and know that it's good. Okay, nice and round, just like it should be. Okay, bottom good, subframe's good, your mounting holes for your cross member, skid plate, whatever you want to call it, perfect, nothing's broken, ready to go. Okay, again, scope measured, true unmolested, wide track Jeep CJ7 frame. All right, that's it. There's a 8-minute video of who we are. Again, if I didn't, 303-666-9020, parksbreakers.com. One thing I didn't even say in that other video, and I want to say now, this is all the black paint you see on this thing. It's all original paint. That's how good these frames are. When I hit it with the Hotsy, from about there to there, the paint peeled. A little bit of oxidization, but no rust in this, no cancer, no nothing like that. It is as clean as they come. That's what I mean. There's a little browning there, but there's absolutely no rot on this frame whatsoever. And all that black paint is not something we doctored up. I hate when people paint things, especially when they paint rusty things. And you know rusty stuff because it's like super rough looking. It looks like it was textured and then painted. It's awful. We don't deal with that here, so, okay? All right. Questions, comments, requests, let us know. Otherwise, I'll get some photos of the bottom here and then wrap this video up. Thank you very much. God bless you.